Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'm just going to install a dirt bike tire, that is a spike tire, in my Suzuki Samurai. I'll just show you how the tire looks right now, and I'll install it in my tire. It gives a better road grip. Mainly this is one of the important thing which is necessary for a dirt bike. So let's continue the video right now. There's actually fifth or sixth part, guys, in my bike modification series of making a dirt bike. You can check out my other videos also. I'll give a link to all those videos in the description down. So subscribe to my channel and check out those videos. And there's actually MRF tire, guys. It's MRF Mid-Series tire, which you can purchase it online. It costs you around 3 to 4K. So let's continue now. So there is the tire, guys, about which I was talking about. That is the dirt bike's tire. You can see here how it looks. I'll show you. You can see which I was talking about. It's a proper dirt bike tire. You can see the buttons of it. They're so huge, and this having a life of almost 95%. I'll just show you in a closer view. You can see these buttons, and there's a MRF tire. You can see the branding over here. The tires over here. It says it's MRF. So I'll just show you how to install this in my bike. And size of this, guys, it is 2.75 and 18 inch. You can even use 3.00 and 18 inch, but you have to make sure that is of 18 inch, because we are not using alloys, we are using spokes. So it means 18 inch is the size for the spoke wheel, guys. So I'll just show how to install this in my bike. And this is the tire. As you people already know that I've increased the height of my front suspension, and the center stand height is too small. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put my bike down to the ground level and remove the front wheel. Then we'll take it to a puncture shop, replace the tires, and we'll get back and install the tire back in my bike. So let's continue.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
So here it is, guys. This one here is the dirt bike's tire, and that one is a normal tire which was present in my rim. So right now I'll just take it to a puncture shop, remove this tire and install this new tire in that rim, and I'll get back and install this new tire which is in the rim in my bike over there. So let's continue.
Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So as you can see, guys, this is how it looks after installing this tire. This is the same rim which I have removed from my bike along with its disc, and this is the tire that I have installed. You can see it looks like this. Right now I'll just install this back in my bike. So that's it, guys. I've showed you how to install this dirt bike tire in my Suzuki Samurai. The process is same for any bike. I'll just show you the closer view of the tire. You can see how it looks. It gives a nice bold look to the bike. So in the next upcoming video, I'm going to install the dirt bike's mudguard in this. You can have a check. So subscribe to my channel. So this is the overall view. And we are also going to remove the headlight, install a numbered plate which comes in place of the headlight, and LED bulbs, so it will help us to ride the bike during the night time. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you like this video guys, so do hit a like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. There are several other parts in the process of modifying this bike, and in my further videos you will see this bike modified completely into a dirt bike and also show you off-roading ride of this bike. So subscribe to my channel, stay tuned. See you soon guys, bye.